Good morning students. I welcome to all. Let us start science virtual classes. Now yesterday we I have discussed the two outer planets Jupiter and Saturn, and today next two planets I will discuss here. Next one is the Uranus. Uranus in Hindi known as Arun, and it is the seventh planet in the solar system. There are some features of the Uranus. It is rotate clockwise, rotate on its side, and look blue because of the methane in its atmosphere. It also has a ring system, and this Uranus planet, a planet on its side, means Uranus appear to lie on its side. Its name after the Roman god of the sky, and only planet which rotate on its axis from east to west. Uranus, how does it moves? Revolution time is 84 and rotation is the 0.72 Earth days. It is also the third largest planet in our solar system, and it is the gas giant without any solid surface. Now there are some more features of this Uranus planets. It has at least 10 thin uniform black rings which are made up of dust. It has 27 known satellites. It is a very cold planet. It receives 370 times less sunlight than Earth, as it is far away from the sun as compared to Earth. Its core is very rocky. Next planet is the Neptune. Neptune planet in Hindi known as Varun, and is the eighth planet from the sun in the solar system. Neptune is also known as the windy planet, as a very strong winds blow on its surface. Neptune, the last giant planet and most distant gas planet. It is named after the Roman god of the sea and most windy planet. Neptune, what is it? State of matter is gaseous surface. It is the outer planet, and the atmosphere is the visible clouds. And very interesting fact is 20 times Earth distance from the sun. Neptune, blue in color from the atmosphere, darker than the Uranus, and coldest planet, very windy, cold and dark planet. Neptune, how does it move? Revolution time is 165 Earth years, and the rotation is the 0.67 Earth days. So these are the planets. Neptune cannot be seen without naked eyes. It has 8 known satellites. As it is very far from the sun, it completes an orbit on the average every year 164.79 years. The average distance between the Neptune and the sun is 4.50 billion kilometers. Neptune was the first planet found by the mathematical predictions. These are some important features of the Neptune planets. Compare and contrast the inner and outer planet. Means outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are made up of the gases and ice. So all these planets are taken together and known as the gaseous planet, and these are also referenced as the Jovian planets. Now I am here compare the inner and outer planets. Inner planets smaller, few to no moons, made up of rocks, more dense, thin atmosphere, closer to the sun, warmer and no ring. Outer planets larger, many moons made of the gases, so gas giants, less dense, thick atmosphere, further from the sun, cooler, and ring of the dust and ice. So it is the planets in our solar system rotate on its axis and revolve around the sun. These are the comparison between the inner and outer planet. Inner planet starting 4 planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are the inner planet. And outer planet: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There is the compare and contrast of the inner and outer planets. Thank you so much, and revise all these planets in our solar system. Thank you so much and take care.